Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna tell you a science experiment of pepper and soap. Do you wash your hands before eating? Do you know why we wash our hands before eating? Come on, I'll show you. In this science experiment, we need a bowl of water, some pepper, and some hand wash. Here we're using pepper as germs on our hands. We put pepper in the water. Now put your finger into the germs water. Oh my god, my fingers have germs on them because I did not wash my hands. Now dip your finger into the soap solution and put it back into the germs water. Did you see how the germs are running away from the soap solution? Now do you understand the importance of washing your hands before eating? Always remember to wash your hands before eating your food. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.